This is Eric Culpepper with Insurance Agents United. During this overview, I'm going to provide a detailed explanation of how agents get paid by marketing the IAU opportunity. First, there are two commission groups, personal volume and group volume or level overrides. Personal volume is generated by our designated rank as agents, and group volume is generated by sub-agents, and anything that's produced by all of your personally sponsored agents in your organization. For your personal volume, this is any business that you as an agent has personally referred and submitted. The average commission to the field is about 2.25%, and that could be higher or lower depending on the carrier. And let's say you acquire 10 group accounts, with the average monthly premium being about $5,000 per month. 10 group accounts at $5,000 each at a commission at 2.25% would yield a monthly commission of $1,125 per month. In addition to your monthly commission, active IAU agents will have access to their accounts through their CRM portal, where they'll be able to manage and cross-sell other products and services to their clients. The fastest way to grow a residual income is by building a team and create a full-time income in less than 6 months to a year. If you recruited 10 agents into your agency, and by the way, those agents can be anywhere in the country, by your unique code to IAU will tie those agents to your organization and generate an override for life. Let's illustrate. If 10 of your personally sponsored sub-agents acquire 10 accounts with an average monthly premium of $5,000 per month each, your total group volume would be $500,000 per month at an average of 2.25% would yield a commission of $11,250 per month to your group, with a 10% level override to you in the amount of $1,125 per month. Now keep in mind that in most multi-level marketing opportunities, you would have to mass recruit members and acquire several customers before you begin seeing these types of figures. Not to mention most opportunities require you to become a glorified user of the product or service to qualify for commissions. The beauty of our structure is that it works like a real-life agency without the brick and mortar and overhead costs. Virtually, we recruit agents around the country who build agencies within an agency. So let's say if you recruited John and you received an override on John's group business. John goes out and recruits Jason. John will then begin to receive level overrides on Jason's group business. But because Jason is now on your second level, your override on Jason would not go up to your organization, but remain with John's organization. To illustrate the point further, on the power of exponential numbers and the duplication of combined efforts, the chart below in the first column shows you as the agent that has acquired 45 group accounts with an average monthly premium of $5,000 on your own personal sponsored volume for a monthly commission of $5,062 per month. And if your sub-agents duplicated the same and acquired 45 group accounts each for a combined production volume of $2,250,000 per month at 2.25% would yield a commission of $50,625 in group monthly volume, and you would earn a 10% override of $5,062.50 per month, for a total commission of $10,124 per month between your personal monthly volume and your group monthly volume. Now, even though agents do not receive overrides on their second level and below, you do receive a 10% on total volume produced by your sub-agents. For instance, your 10% is comprised of both personal volume and group volume of all of your sub-agents, and it's based on total production volume of each agent. That is why our opportunity is designed to stimulate growth through team building efforts, which benefits every agent involved and creates faster momentum than in the traditional agency building platform. Because agencies typically do not want to have agents leave to start their own agency for fear of creating external competition, so it stifles growth. Not the case for our opportunity. You can truly build long-lasting, lifetime residual income because the bigger you grow your teams, the more income you will achieve. It creates a win-win for both agents and sub-agents. Thank you for taking the time to review our strengthened numbers compensation overview. I hope by now you can see the advantages of being part of our company. Be sure to click the article below this video, why collaborations is crucial to success. Go out and make it a great day.